I'm wondering if I will try to turn on the television here and put it on.
Back sitting. The trades, please.
Knight is really
queen.
good. I can also
Queen
take
is
queen
bad
free.
for me.
Okay. We're up. Do I get rook? Actually, I'll just play this move, whatever.
Yeah, that's a good move. Ooh.
No rook, please.
Unpleasant.
Right, your
Maybe
position is
sit.
absolutely atrocious.
It is very bad. Maybe knight takes queen and sit. I'm not sure actually.
But 2 pawns mate.
Okay.
Or 1 queen.
Or 1 queen.
Yeah, I guess.
Sorry.
I guess there's no chance. I'll try to find a trick, but there should be no chance here.
I don't actually.
What you just said makes no sense.
But then you don't actually have to go.
Because he will do this.
Michael, he's not gonna play the second move.
Oh. Oh, that's true. What about? Oh no,
Do you want
no,
me to?
no.
Do you
I
want
was
to
about
move?
to say it was even worse.
Do you want me to move?
You can
Because I
move
can.
if
I can
you
just
want,
move.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right, you can go, partner.
Okay, but I'm
Knight
naked.
plus rook mates. Or I can
Knight
just. I'll
might
just
be
feed you
hard.
shit. I'll just feed you shit. Just you just go for mate. Go for mate.
Okay.
I'm doing low trades, partner.
No. There's no chance. Or I guess.
My bad.
Might.
He is still surviving.
Right.
No way.
Yes, I'm safe now.
You get a queen.
The queen, okay? No.
Yes.
He is not in fact surviving.
It's not important.
Can I get a pawn? Thank you. You get everything.
Sit.
Oh, sorry. Fuck. Okay, I'm sitting now.
Rook g2 and take the. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can.
Or knight at g4. Oh.
Okay, should I go?
Oh, you were
No?
right. Yeah, knight g4 is better.
Here's pawn for g2.
Okay.
You're downtown, sorry.
Okay, yeah, but this one's just over then. I guess you go.
A knight at e4, and if he takes bishop
way.
e2.
Okay.
Try to
I'm
live
not
as long
winning
as
here
possible.
yet.
Yet.
Keep going. Maybe take f3.
Playing pretty.
Oh, okay.
You get queen. You get queen.
Then you sit. Sit is it. I will get safe here.
Okay.
Make sure
But
rook
also try to
doesn't
do
hurt
low
you too
trades.
bad. I can mate if I get enough stuff, but
Go, take.
knight mates.
None on the board.
I see it. Just saying.
Okay.
But you're totally safe, right? Or does anything hurt you besides queen? I'm not giving queen.
See it. I don't see anything.
Okay. The problem is, I don't think anything mates from me besides knight. Or I would need like a trillion pawns. Let me just think. I'll just take
Yeah,
this.
just
Whatever.
fucking disconnected. Okay. Go, partner. Go,
Yeah, I
go,
think
go.
that's a good move.
Yeah, I think he's dead.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, you can just take
I
that.
didn't see that.
I've mate.
Sorry.
And
Just like
really, you
that.
might as well sit when it's mate in one, but we were a second down. But
I
there's
should
no
have
reason
stacked
to move.
queen on my board. I messed it up.
Yeah, but never move when it's mate in one. For example, there you know it's mate in one when you move, so you might as well just not move.
Okay, you're right. Maybe no queen.
I misplayed this a little bit. Try to get
Okay.
safe.
Uh,
I'm giving queen here, okay?
Winning you the house on my board.
Okay.
My position's good again.
That didn't take long.
No, his position was never bad. I don't think. The
Watch
rook
out.
coming?
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Not yet.
You are safe for a move here, right? So you could do a dangerous move. No. That's way too slow. He
Okay.
didn't have a
My
threat. So
I
pawn
was.
e7.
Okay, you can go, I guess.
I was just
Or
gonna
actually,
say.
that was a really
I
bad
hold
call.
knight.
Hold
That
it
is.
or no?
No.
Oh my fucking god. He's
Okay. Bishop e4.
Anti-pre-move.
he's
No anti-primo. Just go bishop e4. Do it now.
Or bishop d3.
No. Okay. I'll leave if you don't go bishop e4.
I'm dead.
Oh!
Oh,
And queen
he's got
g4.
something. Yeah.
No knight, obviously.
And then you go queen g7. And now you can think, but I'm pretty sure pawn d7 is mate.
Or bishop
Yeah,
d7
it's
and pawn
definitely.
e7. I need the pawn so I can take the rook with
Why the fuck
promotion.
does
Why
that
does it
order
matter?
matter?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, you're right.
No pre-moves. Oh, fuck, I'm getting...
Sorry, Lars. My brain is a little slow today.
It's
Did not see
always
that.
this slow.
No. It's only sometimes.
Trades are good.
Only like small percentage.
Pawn wins
He wants
queen.
a pawn.
Bishop, take bishop. Oh, that works too.
Oh.
Come in.
You hold rook or no?
Yes.
I'm doing okay if you just do low trades, partner. I'm not doing great. Opponent does not.
Do I get knight or no?
Most likely not.
Okay.
Okay, low trades, maybe?
Is e takes d6 and then sacking the house a good idea or no?
Oh, yeah, that's a good move.
Yeah, what are we doing here?
Oh my
Knight mates,
god.
knight mates, take d5. Take d5, knight mates.
Okay, sold.
I didn't see it. Sorry,
Oh.
partner.
Again, I have mate. Why do you move
Oh,
when it's
fuck.
mate in
No,
one?
king
Like,
e7.
what is the point?
Oh wait, true.
Yeah,
You're
you're
right.
dead as fuck.
I'm
Like,
sorry.
So okay, that was a
why?
bad call from me.
I'm actually really sorry. I did not realize I was made it there yet.
No, you did. There's no way you didn't realize.
I'm sorry. But
Don't be sorry. Be
that
better.
was the last time I ever do that ever again.
Take knight maybe or
Oh, sorry. I should have.
it's okay.
I'm being greedy. I'm taking the bishop first.
Queen e2.
Can you set up a queen mate or no?
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, I will resign.
Okay, I'm gonna focus now.
Wow, no one's interested in the. I almost got hacked for it. Wow.
Wait, but we're stopping when it starts.
Oh, you are.
Yes.
Okay.
Queens come. Okay.
Is
Or
it
not
fine?
okay.
I think it's a bit annoying.
I hold it for one move.
I think
You
it's
have to
okay.
fix soon.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Okay, it doesn't come. Maybe hold rook.
Oh, okay.
It comes now. It doesn't come.
I will bring you.
I keep going.
Chewy, do you know it's 2-minute rounds?
For the women,
Or
not
I
for
think
the
even
not
for
for
the men too.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Sorry,
Queen
partner.
might
Or
mate
if
for
not
me.
for men, for this one.
I went way too slow.
I
Sorry,
can sit.
partner.
I can sit. Coming.
Just coming careful.
Low for a second.
Oh, we might trade a bit.
Okay, it's fine.
Is a good bishop is good.
Bishop doesn't do anything.
Makes me very happy. I
Yeah,
do
queen.
appreciate it.
I give a queen.
Yeah.
I don't think he will take it.
You get queen.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out if that does anything.
It
Seems
doesn't.
safe. Yeah, he
Okay,
is very
nice.
safe.
Trades, trades.
Feed is good here.
Uh,
If not, it's fine.
Not
Bishop's a
easy.
good block. Take
He
me the
has the
bishop.
initiative.
You can. Thank you.
Do I get the queen?
I don't
Probably, yeah.
like that. Makes no sense.
Sorry, I didn't realize it hurt you this much.
It doesn't
Sorry.
hurt, but now it's just that now I have to give the queen.
Oh, what do I do with the queen?
Okay, so
I don't know.
Okay, okay. Do you want me to just take on
I will
f6?
not give. If he goes pawn g3,
you.
you go king h1.
Okay, go ahead. Go, partner.
Save
Takes the
yourself.
knight,
Save
I
yourself.
hold the queen.
Save yourself. Save yourself. I need rook. Go, go.
King h1.
Oh.
Okay. I don't get it.
I'm just.
But but
I need
Mikkel,
to
like,
d6, d6, d6,
we're
d6.
trying to do the opposite.
Okay, I've made.
Like, you just go to h1.
I don't.
Get it. I mean, you play well, but it's just so tilting when you. Oh, get it.
Sorry, that was bad. Completely.
Low.
My position's quite nice.
Okay. My position's not.
Okay, it's fine. Sorry, I
Give
gave
him
a
queen.
bit. Oh, I should have.
Okay.
I didn't even
I'll
see I
try
could
to
take it.
survive.
I didn't even see I could take it. My bad.
No. Just
Are you okay?
Barely.
Okay.
Probably it's best to try to keep going.
take
I
his
think.
knight, I think.
Okay. We're down a tiny bit.
Can I? Never mind.
Whatever you want, yeah. I'm just doing some bullshit.
Okay.
Don't give knight plus rook.
Okay.
Or don't give rook now.
Okay.
Not sure what to do here. Think you need to.
Yeah, I'll keep it moving.
Excellent move. I
Go
think.
ahead. Bishop is good for me if you can grab it at some point.
Oh, bishop loses my queen. That's all.
Rook is also pretty good, but it's not anything life changing.
Still no knight plus rook.
Hmm.
I think you keep staying. Shit.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, hold on.
I'm
F1
sorry.
knight? Yeah, yeah. Oh. Yeah,
Where
I
is
don't know.
this?
You calculate it, I guess.
Keep setting that.
You're
It's
better
my
at
fault. I
calculating than
didn't
me.
see it.
I can take knight for you.
Does a knight mate you?
No.
Yeah, yeah, knight mates for you,
Yes.
right? Just F1, E takes, bishop
Yeah.
E3. Yeah, okay. But, okay, here's rook.
Oh, that'll
What?
do it.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's pretty.
It's alright.
Our luck is
I got his queen. You
Oh
want
wait, it's
some of the
starting.
guys?
Holy shit!
Oh,
What
it's
is this
starting.
block
Okay.
house? Oh my god.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Last one then.
Oh my god.
Sit.
red reds. I'm gonna die if I sit here, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go down.
Oh, keep on. Keep
Do you
on.
want me to sit
You
or
can
go?
feed me. You can feed me
Go.
maybe.
No knights.
Is it okay?
Doesn't matter.
Bishop mates. Oh no. That is not true.
And it's a bishop with nuts. Sorry, partner.
2 bishops, mate.
I
Okay.
think
Okay.
I have six.
GG's.
I think it's a good time to stop.